Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off subtitles on Paramount Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to turn off subtitles on Paramount Plus, you need to navigate to video player settings during playback. So typically this is found as a speech bubble icon. There you need to simply select the subtitles option and choose off or the relevant option to disable the subtitles. So talking about in depth, while a show or movie is playing, locate the speech bubble icon or similar settings icon in the video player. Now click or tap on the speech bubble icon to open the subtitle setting and simply select off or the option to disable subtitles within the settings menu. So some devices like Roku might have a separate setting menu for accessibility and captions, which can even affect subtitles on all apps. If the subtitle persists, simply check your device accessibility settings to ensure they are not globally enabled. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.